Yo parents, let's keep it real. Finding a solid pair of kids' headphones is so damn hard. Most are cheap and break easy, way too loud with no volume limits, or just ugly that your kids won't wear them. But today, I'm reviewing the iClever Kids headphones, a total no-brainer, a game changer for parenting and study time. First, wear comfort. This is a huge win for kids. These have ultra-soft memory foam ear cups, zero pinching. Your kids can wear them for hours without complaining about itchy, sore ears. No more fighting over headphone time. The flexible headband is fully adjustable, fitting toddlers all the way to upper elementary kids, no matter their head size. It's a one-and-done buy that lasts years, super cost-effective, and durability. I dropped these on purpose for a test, no scratch at all. All functions worked perfectly. No more stress about your kids' rough daily play. When it comes to kids' headphones, safety is non-negotiable, and iClever nails it. These cap the max volume at a strict 80 decibels. The recommended safe level for kids' hearing. They've got hearing protection down to a science. No more hovering over your kid to stop them cranking the volume up, and you skip the big hearing risk of regular headphones that blast to 110 decibels. Everyday use is a total breeze. Bluetooth 5.0 pairs super fast, connects in a second. No more mom, it won't connect. Tantrums, stress-free for parents, fun for the little ones. The wireless design is perfect for homework time, no messy wires tripping them up or pulling focus, so their concentration is off the charts. It's also great for car rides and family outings. Your kids stay quiet and entertained with stories and lessons, and you get to sit back and enjoy a little peace and quiet. It works flawlessly at home, school, or on the go, fitting all your kids' daily scenarios. Bottom line, if you want kids' headphones that check every box, hearing safe, drop-proof, super comfortable, and perfect for your kids' daily chaos, grab the iClever ones without a second thought. It's unbeatable in value and practicality, and you'll never regret this purchase.